Hi everyone. So today we're going to start planting out the syntropic area that Tom and Aaron have prepared in the last couple of days. This is the plan that I've made up. We are a bit short on resources with the varying plants and everything that we've got. So I've just made up a plan with what we've got, and we just have to get it in the ground. So it's probably not entirely the correct way to design a syntropic system. However, this sort of thing has worked for us in the past, and we're going to just move ahead with this so that we can get as much food in the ground as we possibly can. There's about 48 plants per metre, lineal metre. The beds are probably about 450 to 500 wide and about 9 metres long. So per metre we've got about 48 plants to plant. We've got about 1,800 plants, seedlings. So we better get started. So we made up a 1 metre long stake, which is marked every 250 mil, and I'm going to put holes every 250 mil in these beds, so that we can, and that's in the middle of the bed, so that we can start planting that middle. So here you see an example. So I've put a hole every 250 mil, and I will keep doing that over the rest of the bed in all 4 beds. So what you can see here is Tom planting the broccoli in every second hole. So we alternate broccoli with either cabbage or kale at this point. So he puts some compost material in whilst he's putting the little seedling in, and then the seedling gets tucked back in with the mulch that's around it.
And you've got to get it right, otherwise Zaia gets up you.
Yeah, that's right. I've got the big stick, like Aaron said. So yeah, so tuck the seedlings back in so no soil is exposed to the sun, and otherwise they'll dry out. Okay, so we had the middle row planted, and from that middle row we can actually determine where the other plants go. So we're alternating different plants through here. If you have a closer look, so this one here is broccoli, and we've got cabbage, so that's alternating cabbage, broccoli in the middle row, and then outside of that, about 10 centimetres apart, 10 to 12 centimetres apart, in this one we have leek, but they're alternating as well. So in the next row, in here, sorry, where are we here? There's celery. So I've got leek, celery, then we've got leek again, celery, and that continues on.
Okay, so what we've been planting the seedlings in with, transplanting them in with, is this material here, which is 25% sand, 25% rotted cow manure, 25% broken down goat manure, which has actually got a sawdust component with it, and also chicken manure, 25% chicken manure, which has a component of sawdust with it as well. And we've sifted it and we've mixed it together. So you actually can see a bit of sand here. It's a nice sharpish sort of a sand. You can see some of the goat pellets. So it's a really nice blend of material, and it's nice and fluffy and sifted, so it's very easy to put into the hole as we plant the plants. Really good stuff, very valuable stuff. So obviously on the property we are accumulating this material all the time, stockpiling it and having it ready for such a situation as this. Good stuff.
Okay, so here we have about 6 different plants in each bed. We're still planting the last ones now, and then we're going to leave it until tomorrow to put all the lettuce seedlings in. So in one day we've done most of it. We're actually supposed to have 7 different plants in here by now. However, our seedling man didn't have enough stock for us, so due to the circumstances we all understand right now.